This is Mr. Bandy, and I'm going to show you a video on how you can use Google Slides to create a slideshow. So if I go to the classroom, I'll just use 4th hour since technically this is the hour that I'm in right now. You're going to see the assignment. I'm going to click on the assignment. Oh, I can't do that. Let me back up. Okay. When you go in, this is actually what you're going to click on because this is your instructions. I'm going to scroll down, and here are the items that I need to answer in each slide. Each slide is going to provide the information to answer these questions, and there are 6 of them there. This last one just says provide a picture of an engineer or some picture related to that particular job you're doing. I want you to put a picture on each slide. So let's get started. I'm going to go to click on an extra tab here, and I'm going to come over here to these boxes, and I'm going to go to slides. I'm going to start a new one. I'm going to make it blank. Okay, now I'm going to do a couple things here to kind of help me out. I'm actually going to minimize this. I'm going to pull this slide, that panel out, and minimize it here. And I'm going to slide this one over. Slide this one over, and if you'll notice how it takes up half the page, works well that way. And another thing that I'm going to need to do is I need to go ahead and open up another tab with this information, this website. So I right click. I'm going to use the right button on my mouse, copy the link. I want to click on the tab. I'm going to paste and go. Takes me right to the website. Now I can go back and forth between here when I need to look at the question I need to answer and where the answers are at. So let's just do one over a chemical engineer. Scroll over in the search handbook. I'm going to type in chemical engineer. I'm going to click on the link, and here's the information I'm going to need. I'm going to come over here to the slide, close out my themes for right now, and I'm going to type in chemical engineer, and I want to put a name in there by David Bandy. Now I'm ready to do another slide. The first slide I'm going to do is going to be what type of work do they do. So in this title here, what type of work do they do? So I come to the chemical engineer. What do they do? See, chemical engineer applies the principles of chemistry, biology, physics, and mathematics to solve problems that involve the products or use of chemicals, fuels, drugs, food, and many other products. That's what I want right there. I'm going to copy, come over here, I'm going to paste without formatting, and then I need to come in there and probably need to make it a little bit bigger. Now for me to find that information, I'll spread this out for a second. There we go, 18, that's good. I can use that. Okay, so let's do another slide. And come up here because I need, okay, the next one that I need to answer is what is the current salary? So I'm going to come over here and current salary. And I'm going to put a question mark because I'm curious about it. So let's come across here, pay. That is where they're going to give the salary. And the median annual wage for a chemical engineer was $97,000 in 2015. That's not bad. That was just last year. So I copy, come over here, paste without formatting. Got to check the size of it, 18. Okay, that works for me. I can do that. And one other thing we need to do, we do need to put a picture in here for each one of these slides. So let's go ahead and just open up another tab. I'm going to type in chemical engineering. And let's click on images. And that'll work right there. That's a good picture. Copy image. Come over here. Paste. Move it around a little bit. Come in here. Okay. And this one I'm gonna do money, because that's why we work. That's why we do this. Copy. Right here. Paste again. There we go. So now I got a picture on each one of the slides. Now if you want, you can always add more pictures if you'd like. Dress it up a little bit. I don't mind. You could actually take this. I think you can use this here. Can rotate around a little bit so your text is kind of sideways. Dress it up a little. I don't mind. Change it up. Make it look cool. There you go. See how that works? Isn't that neat? Okay, so I've answered the first two. You will need to go through and answer each one of these with a slide. When you get done, you'll have a minimum of 7 slides. A cover, just the title page, and then a slide for each of these. A minimum of 7 slides. Now, if you want to change like the background, you can always come into like a slide and change the background, change theme. See, we can actually put a theme in here now. There we go. Let's use that one. So now we got kind of a theme, and these have lines on them. It's changed up a little bit. You can always come in here and change the background color if you want. See, it just shows why. You could do some pastel color. See? Change the background of that one. Change the background of this one to something kind of cool looking. Yeah, there we go. Done. There we go. Move that picture over the other way. See how that looks? Awesome. And that's how you create a career search using Google Slides. Thank you. See you later. Bye.